Liftoff will start in T-minus 3, 2, 1.
Finally, Kawasaki released the ZX-4RR variant according to old news, where the 400 version is a global product in the future. In general, the form of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4R is presented using a physical form platform that is practically the exact same as the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-25R, especially in its new design, which uses a long rear end muffler. The first differentiator is present in the engine, which has adopted a higher capacity engine, namely 399 cu with a liquid-cooled DOHC 4-cylinder fixed configuration. According to Kawasaki official claims, this engine is capable of producing a maximum output of 57 kilowatts, 77 pounds, and 59 kilowatts, 80 pounds, when ram air is pressurized. The engine has been engineered to combine strong low and mid torque, with plenty of power at high RPM, and in all driving situations, from everyday use to sport driving on the track. For the braking system, Kawasaki presents a dual-disc 290mm front braking system, with 4-piston calipers on each disc, mounted radially in the upside-down SFFBP front suspension from Showa. And the tires are higher than the ZX-25R series, where the front tire size is 120/17, while the rear tires are 160/17. In terms of chassis, similar to the ZX-25R, the ZX-4RR features a steel trellis chassis and a curved long type swing arm. On the electronic side, that stands out on this latest Ninja, with an integrated driving mode that links KTRC, Kawasaki Traction Control, and Power Mode. From 4 different modes: Sport, Road, Rain and Rider, Manual. Riders can easily choose the settings that suit their own riding conditions and riding style. Also fitted to the Ninja ZX-4R Southeast and Ninja ZX-4RR is a 2-way KQS, Kawasaki Quick Shifter, that allows clutch-free up/down shifting. The Ninja ZX-4R's panel meter is equipped with a 4.3-inch full digital color LCD display that provides high visibility and a premium feel. It integrates a track mode which displays lap times, gear position, and RPM from 10,000 revolutions per minute and up in easy-to-read manner.
That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Engineer Christe Motovlog.